Hey, this is Mark Hess, and what I'm about to show you is a way to create e-covers in seconds that are absolutely stunning using a simple three-step process that's in this software. If you could copy and paste, you could create amazing e-covers like the examples when you scroll down this page using Effortless e-covers. It does not get any easier than this to create absolutely stunning e-covers for all of your digital products in 7 different sizes. I'm going to take you through and show you how to use the software right now. And this is the software. It is called Effortless eCovers, okay? And all you need to do is enter in some very basic information, make some very basic choices, and you can have absolutely stunning e-covers designed in seconds in 7 different built-in styles. And there are 2 modes, either the Effortless eCovers Fast Express mode, which I'm going to show you in a second, okay, or the Advanced eCover Builder, okay? So you can enter in and decide even more options with all of this if you want to really control what you want on your eCover. But I'll tell you what, Effortless eCovers Fast Express mode is a way to go because these are stunning eCovers just straight out of the box, and all you need is an offer name. So I'm going to use my Objection Crusher product. Let's create an eCover for Objection Crusher. Okay, Objection Crusher. I'm going to enter in the offer name. The subtitle I can leave blank, and AI will create one out of thin air that appears on the box. So I don't even need a subtitle. All I need is an offer name and then a author or brand name. I'm just going to put my name in here, but you could put your website, your name, your brand, whatever you want. Then an eCover format. You decide which format you want. There are 7 built-in ones. I'm going to choose a premium software box. You could choose a color. You can have a custom 4-color palette. So you could choose the actual colors, but I'm just going to auto match with the product context, meaning ChatGPT decides it for me. And then you can have the mock-up direction, whether right-facing, left-facing, or front-facing right here. And then all you do, enter in your offer name. You don't even need a subtitle. You can enter in your author name or brand name. Choose which type of eCover format you want to create. I'm just letting ChatGPT choose the colors. And then I'm going to click on Generate Fast Express Mode. Then come down to here. These are the 3 steps. Step 1, I'm going to copy this prompt, open ChatGPT. I'm going to paste in that prompt that I just copied. That's it. You click copy, and then you click ChatGPT. It opens it up, you paste it, and then says, I understand, paste in your offer information. So then what you want to do is copy all the text from your sales page, or you want to put in an offer description, a product description. You can upload your product just so ChatGPT knows what your product is all about. So I'm just going to paste that all into here. I just copied and pasted my sales page into ChatGPT and then click on Send Prompt. Then from there, all we have to do is go to our software and click on Step 3, Fast Mode Creation Prompt. Click on Copy and then just copy that in. And then I'm going to click on Send Prompt, and what we're going to get is an eCover here in approximately 30 to 60 seconds. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this to create absolutely stunning e-covers. I mean, these graphics, when you scroll down the page, I mean, they are just absolutely stunning. And you could see that it's creating an image right now. And all I did was copied and pasted 3 different things. I didn't have to mess with Canva. I didn't have to mess with Photoshop. You don't have to know anything about graphic design. And what you're going to get, I don't even know what's going to pop out right now, but I guarantee you it's going to be ready to use right out of the box. And then if I want to edit the image that this created, all I do is talk to this and say, oh, I want this and that changed. I want to do this with it. But I even made that easy because when you scroll down to the bottom of this, I even have instant follow-up prompts. So if you want another design, just copy any one of these 25 prompts down here and it's going to give you a different design. I'm going to do that right now. Just paste one of those in. So I want to make it a more bold, vibrant, and creative cover. So now it's just going to give me a different cover. And I could do this for absolutely any product on the internet. I just upload my product information, fill in a few simple, basic, very basic things into this software, and the whole thing is just copy and paste. And you are going to end up with absolutely stunning graphics, just like the ones all down this page that were created with this software using this same three-step process. And you could create as many of these as you want. Create unlimited e-covers, use the software as much as you want. This is so much fun to do, and you can be creative without being a graphic designer, and it is just absolutely awesome. So here's another version. So we just created 2 versions in the last 1 minute of this objection crusher box that I can use absolutely anywhere. And this is just how easy it is to use this Effortless eCovers software. And the best part is, even if we want another design, I could come up here and let's say that we want a spiral workbook for the same thing. I would just do that, come down to step 3 because we don't need the other information. And then I would just copy in the step 3 prompt right here and hit enter. And in a few seconds, we are going to get a workbook that is an objection crusher workbook cover. So you could do this over and over and over and over, and just any product that you create now instantly becomes more valuable because you have an e-cover attached to it. Just think how much more professional your entire business is going to look when you have these e-covers throughout your business. You're going to look like you know what you're doing, and that means you will make more money. So all of this is an absolute integral part in making as much money as possible online. And this right here is totally effortless. It's the absolute easiest way to create e-covers for all of your digital products in seconds. And like I said, these are absolutely awesome right out of the box. But if you want to edit and tweak them, you just tell ChatGPT what you want to edit on the cover, and it's going to do it. It's like hiring a full-time graphic designer in your business that works 24/7, essentially for free. And here's our workbook cover right here. I mean, this is, you're seeing it with your own 2 eyes. It doesn't get any easier than this. There's no fine print, there's no restrictions, there's no games, gimmicks, there's nothing up my sleeve. You just get this software and you can create an unlimited amount of e-covers whenever you want for all of your digital products. So get your hands on Effortless e-covers right now. You get unlimited access for a one-off price, no added fees, no fine print, no restrictions, no nothing. You just go out there and create as many graphics as you want. So get your hands on this, click the buy now button, and you will get instant access the moment you purchase to Effortless e-covers. Use this in your business.